In today's video, we are giving away a lot, and I mean a lot of makeup products. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sobrang tagal kong pinakahihintay itong moment na to and finally, mangyayari na siya. Dahil today, we are going to launch my very own product photography service brand. And sabi ko nga kanina, napakarami nating makeup na ipapamigay dito sa vlog na to. So make sure that you watch until the end of the video. If you guys wanted to know more about my brand, what are you waiting for? Let's glow. My team and I worked very hard for this product photography brand and we are working on this for months. Glow fam, sobrang excited ko na. I'd like you all to meet my product photography service brand, and that is Snap by VNCI. Snap by VNCI is a local photography business that brings out the potential in your product in a snap. We are ready to work with you to ensure that each element of our collaboration, from looks to design, reflect your own taste and personal touches, ensuring excellence and precise attention to details with a dash of bespoke elegance and style. Our goal is to help you conceptualize many details that go along with creating a stunning snap so that your target market can understand the concept and appreciate the amazing products that you offer while each of your brand objectives are met. Let's take a snap of that moment. Oh my God! Sobrang kinikilig talaga ako na finally, eto na yung moment na yon. Hindi ako makapaniwala until today. So now guys, let's talk about Snap. Ano nga ba yung pinaka-concept or yung mood board or yung parang theme ng Snap? If you guys follow me on Instagram, makikita mo kung paano yung product photography style ng Team Snap. We actually focused on 4 main factors. First off, we wanted to go for the minimalist style. Bakit nga ba minimalist? Kasi we wanted to keep it clean, we wanted to keep it so simple, yet very, very presentable. Yung parang pag tinignan mo yung picture, yung pinaka-focal point niya is the product itself. So the attention of the people who will see the product shots will be drawn to the product itself and not on the other elements that's present on the image that we provide. We also wanted to keep our product shots elegant, upscale, and chic. If you guys wanted to see a lot more samples of product shots from Snap by VNCI, you guys can follow us on our social media accounts, Snap by VNCI on Facebook, at Snap by VNCI on Instagram. Let's now talk about the services that we offer. As of right now, we're still limited to product photography dahil nga we are still on a pandemic. So my team and I wanted to keep the services indoors as of the moment. Pero kung magkakaroon tayo ng expansion in the future, we don't know yet. Pero sobrang dream come true talaga yun pag nangyari yun. So Snap by VNCI does product photography for cosmetic products or makeup, skincare products, food, jewelry, or any other smaller items. I also wanted to tell you guys that we have packages that we offer in Snap. As of the moment, we have 2. We have the product photography rates and we also have the glass or skin swatch rates. Talking about the first package, dun nagpo-follow yung regular items natin like food or jewelry or cosmetic products that does not require swatches. So under the first package, we have 3 options that you can choose from for the specific rates. Please do send us a DM. On the next package, we have the skin or glass swatch package. On this package, I know maraming mga cosmetic brands right now na nagbebenta ng mga lip tint or liquid lipsticks, and most of them gusto nila makita yung lip products nila na merong mga swatches para their target market can easily visualize kung ano yung specific shade na makukuha nila. Doon pumapasok yung skin or glass swatch package natin. FYI lang guys, it's not just limited to swatches. Doon sa skin or glass swatch package natin, kasama na rin dun yung product photography like yung mga layouts and yung mga buong set. And it's not just limited to lip products. Pwede rin foundation, pwede rin concealers, anything that requires swatches. Again, if you guys are interested for the skin or glass swatch package natin, you can send us a DM on our social media accounts, Snap by VNCI on Facebook at Snap by VNCI on Instagram. So for all the brands out there, ano pa yung hinihintay nyo if you wanted a boost on the sales of your products? Sobrang malaking tulong talaga na you have great images to start with. Bakit? Dahil nga nasa pandemic tayo right now, most of the people does their shopping or bumibili sila ng products online. Dahil nga hindi pa ganun ka-safe right now and for cosmetic products. We do not, and again, we do not. Gusto ko i-reiterate yung we do not suggest or recommend na bumili kayo sa mall or even mag-swatch kayo ng cosmetic products sa mall kasi it's not safe. So yeah, going back, lahat or most ng mga tao bumibili online. So if you establish your Instagram or your social media page, sobrang big help talaga that you have amazing and presentable shots. So ano pa yung hinihintay nyo? Book your schedule now and let's take a snap of that moment. Whew. Oh my God, sobrang saya ko. Before we even end the video, I'd like to give a special thanks sa dalawang tao. Nung nabuo yung idea ng Snap by VNCI, first up, Miss Rachel, the brand owner of Zelios MNL. Actually, binoost niya talaga ako na gumawa na ng product photography brand. And she's one of the first people who trusted me na kaya ko talagang gawin to kasi at first I was really doubting myself a lot. So Miss Rachel, thank you so much. Next up, gusto ko mag-thank you sa pinaka-mentor ko on running this product photography business. That is none other than Miss Ann Temprosa, the brand owner of Glam Skin Manila. Siya yung pinakaunang nagbigay sa akin ng idea na gumawa ka na ng product photography brand. Para sa'yo talaga yan. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, at first I was doubting myself. Medyo kinabahan ako. Parang presentable na ba yung gawa ko? So at first, hindi ko muna pinush kasi I was really doubting myself a lot. But when I finally decided na simulan na talaga siya, ayun na, sobrang tuloy-tuloy na talaga. Si Miss Ann yung nagme-mentor sa akin kung ano yung mga dapat kong gawin, kung ano yung mga kailangan ko, kung ano yung mga pwede kong i-offer, kung ano yung kaya kong gawin, kung ano yung mga business strategies na gagawin ko. Tinulungan niya ako sa lahat. And for that, Miss Ann, alam mo na sobrang grateful ko talaga na nakilala kita. Like from the very start, sinusuportahan mo na ako. Maraming salamat. And I'll forever be by your side. So ayun na nga, Glow Fam, that is all about Snap by VNCI. And right now, I want to talk about the giveaway. Sabi ko nga kanina, medyo pasabog tong giveaway na to dahil marami tayong papamigay na makeup products and there will be 2 winners. Sasabihin ko muna yung consolation prize ng giveaway natin. The winner of the consolation prize will get 1 Squad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, 1 Squad Cosmetics mini eyeshadow palette, 2 lip and cheek tints from Squad Cosmetics, and 3 Squad Cosmetics multi-purpose mousse cream. So that will be a total of 7 products from Squad Cosmetics para sa consolation winner natin. Now for the grand winner ng giveaway natin, ito yung makukuha niya. The grand winner will be getting 1 Squad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, 1 Squad Cosmetics mini eyeshadow palette, 2 lip and cheek tints from Squad Cosmetics, 3 Squad Cosmetics multi-purpose mousse cream, 1 Moonlyt by Marina Nude Trio set, and 1 Beauty Glazed color board eyeshadow palette. Ito yung sa akin, meron akong brand new doon, pero this is how it looks like. So meron siyang green palette, meron siyang orange palette, meron siyang blue palette, and meron siyang purple palette. So ganito yung eyeshadow palette na makukuha ng ating grand winner. Oh my God, sobrang excited ko na. So that would be a total of 11 products para sa ating grand winner. If you guys are wondering kung ano yung mga shades na makukuha ng mga mananalo dito sa Squad Cosmetics products natin, well, the grand winner will get to choose first kung ano yung mga shades na gusto niya, and then after makapili ng grand winner natin, then pipili yung ating consolation prize winner. And yes, meron po ko ng lahat ng shades ng mga products na to. Oh my God, finally, thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this blessing. And if you guys wanted to join the giveaway, all you need to do is to check the mechanics on the description box down below. Sobrang simple lang. And I really hope na makasali kayong lahat. I swear. I want to thank my Glow Fam community. Thank you so much for all the love and support. 5,000 na tayo. Oh my God. Like parang dati nagsastruggle tayo sa subs, ngayon 5,000 subs na tayo. Thank you so much, guys. Sobrang salamat talaga. So what do you guys think? Ano yung masasabi nyo sa Snap by VNCI? Let me know your thoughts. Sound off below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Vince Gonzales here, and I'll see you on the next one.